So today we are going to start our grammar session of TC or simple present tense. We are going to learn about the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about the habits, general truth and the fixed arrangements. Okay, जब हम लोग रेगुलर जो ट्रूथ होता है या फिर रेगुलर डेली हैबिट्स जो होते हैं ना बच्चों, तब हम लोग जब उस बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं तो हम लोग कौन से टेंस में बोलते हैं? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में. और यू कैन सी व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिक्स्ड अरेंजमेंट्स. ओके, so let's take examples. Regular habits and the daily routine. For example, I play football, I read a book, I read every day, I watch my TV, I do watch my TV every day, I go to the school every day. Though these are the everyday and the daily routine or whatever you're talking about. When you're talking about the daily routine, you are using the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense. And when we are talking about the fixed arrangements, there are the train leaves at 2 p.m. The party starts at 10 o'clock. For example, I attend Zoom meeting 10 o'clock. I attend classes at 4 o'clock. So these are the some fixed arrangements you do in every your day-to-day life. Okay, so just introduction part is completed right now. So let's go to the practical work. Okay, so here are some sentences that I mean. So you have to make a difference between that. If interrogative sentence which means if here is a I work every day. So in verb, here is a as it is verb. But because it is in a plural form. Okay. You work every day. We work every day. They work every day. But when it comes to the singular form, she works every day. She works every day. He works every day. She works every day. It works every day. Meet works every day. You can see Rohan. Anyone. But what is the difference between that? If there is a plural form, we use verb as it is. But when it is a single form, he, she, it, meet, Rohan, whatever it is, we always use the does. What? Does, which means S. We always use S. Okay. For example, I go to school. She goes to school. He goes to school. They go to school. So I know you all are clear with the doubt that the simple present tense, which means when we talk about the daily routine or everyday routine, and when we make a sentence, that there is a huge difference between that. If there is your subject is I, you, we, they, then your verb will be as it is. But your subject is he, she, it, me, Rohan, whatever. When it comes to the singular form, your verb will be always as S. Always will be there with the S. Okay. He works, she goes, she does, whatever it is. Okay. Thank you.